Good night. I am Vernon Darby. The following is Bulletin 26, issued by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica today, October 24, 2025, at 2000 hours Eastern Standard Time. A hurricane warning is now in effect for Jamaica as Tropical Storm Melissa is expected to rapidly strengthen while moving closer to the island. At 7 p.m., the center of Tropical Storm Melissa was located near latitude 16.2 degrees north, longitude 74.6 degrees west. This is about 360 kilometers southwest of Port-au-Prince, Haiti, at about 254 kilometers southeast of Morant Point and 310 kilometers southeast of Kingston, Jamaica. Tropical Storm Melissa is moving slowly towards the north near 4 kilometers per hour, and a turn toward the west is forecast on Saturday and will continue through Monday. A turn to the north and the northeast is forecast on Tuesday and Wednesday. Maximum sustained winds are near 100 kilometers per hour with higher gusts. Rapid intensification is now forecast over the next several days, and Melissa is forecast to become a hurricane tomorrow and a major hurricane by Sunday. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 220 kilometers from the center. On the forecast track, the center of Melissa is expected to move from south to north over central Jamaica early next week and over eastern Cuba by the middle of the week. Tropical storm Melissa is expected to be a major rainfall producer over Jamaica. Rainfall amounts reaching 300 to 400 millimeters, that's 12 to 16 inches, are forecast for the island over the weekend, starting in eastern parishes and gradually spreading westward across the island during the course of next week. Locally, higher amounts are possible and residents should take note. As the tropical storm moves closer to the island, expect strong gusty winds reaching tropical storm force to initially affect eastern parishes later this evening and continuing into the weekend across the island. Hurricane force winds are also possible from as early as Sunday. While marine areas will see further deterioration tonight, small craft operators, including fishers from the Keys and Banks, are advised to remain in safe harbor until all warning messages have been lifted and wind and sea conditions have returned to normal. The Meteorological Service continues to closely monitor the progress of Tropical Storm Melissa, and all interests are encouraged to pay special attention to further releases. The next bulletin on the system will be issued at 11 p.m. today. Note that hurricane warning means that the following dangerous effects of a hurricane are expected to affect Jamaica within 36 hours or less. Dangerously high water, or a combination of dangerously high water and exceptionally high waves, even though winds are expected, may be less than hurricane force. Average winds 64 knots or 190 kilometers per hour or higher. That was Bulletin 26, issued by the Meteorological Service. I am Vernon Darby. Good night.